Okay, in this video I'm going to review setting up a table and how to type a little bit with the math. So first thing we do is, of course, we want to insert, and we're going to insert a table, and we want 2 columns. That's the main thing. Okay, on the first line you should always put the problem. So I'm going to insert, because I'm typing math, the equation, and I'm going to put it in. It is x is equal to 3, and this is how you do the square root correctly. Well, a check mark is not correct. This. And this is, plug the x in there. And I should come over here and say this is problem number 1. So it's labeled, and there's no problem with it. And then from there, you will go like, okay, we're going to square both sides. So insert equation. And inside of that, I want to be able to square it. So I'm going to come out here. Let me start over and show you the easiest way to do it. So we would do insert equation. We know we're going to square something, so we're going to do that. We want to put a parenthesis in that block. And so we're going to have an x, and we're going to square it. And then we're going to insert another exponent. We want another parenthesis here. And we put 3. We want the square root again, radical, right here. Put x in there and square it. So we come over here and say we square both sides to eliminate the radical, however you want to say it. And then our next, we would actually come in, type again. We should be typing in the left side always with the insert equation. Okay, so now we've squared it, so it actually is x squared. And then it would equal, when we square this, what do we get? Well, 3 squared is 9, and the square root of x squared is x. Okay, so you actually squared both sides. Okay, now if I need another row, which I do, I click right outside and I return. So now I'm going to set it equal to 0. Insert equation. Now, this is something you can do to help you speed up. You can copy and paste. So we don't want x squared equals 9x. We want x squared minus 9x and then equals 0. So we would say move all terms to the left and set equal to 0. Okay, then you would start your factoring. And so that would be x onto x minus 9 equals 0. Factor the left side. Okay, that's long enough for you to learn where everything is coming from. So we have insert an equation. That's how we do it. Insert equation, and then you go from there and get what you need.